Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, it's our turn to stand before you today and speak about something that is deeply woven into the fabric of life. Yet, often misunderstood or even feared mathematics. When many people hear the word of math, they immediately think of complex formulas, difficult equations, or endless hours spent studying for exam. But today, I'm Muhammad Faza as a student of Nuljadi Junior School who would invite you to view mathematics from a different lens as a source of beauty, creativity, and wonder in our everyday lives by delivering my single speech entitled The Hidden Harmony, How Math Shapes Our Life. Well everyone, let us begin with a simple yet powerful truth. Mathematics is everywhere. From the moment we wake up in the morning until we go to sleep at night, math surrounds us. Whether we are checking the time, calculating expense, following a recipe, or choosing the shortest route to school, mathematics is called the working behind the scenes. It helps us manage time, make a smart decision, and solve practical problems. However, mathematics is far more than just useful. It also possesses an aesthetic dimension, a subtlety that reveals itself in the most unexpected ways. So, have you ever observed the perfect hexagon in a honeycomb? Or graceful spiral of sisal or sunflower? These are not coincidences, but they are the reflection of mathematical patterns in nature. The Fibonacci sequence, the golden ratios, and fractal all showcase how math gives structure and harmony to the natural world. Mathematics also plays a central role in human creativity. Artists use geometry to create perspective and proportion. Architects rely on mathematical patterns to design buildings that are both functional and beautiful. Musicians compose melodies based on the mathematical patterns and the rhythm. Even in fashions, animations, video game design, math turn imagination into a reality. So, isn't it fascinating something that often seen as so rigid and logical? It's also a driving force behind creativity and art. Beyond its practical and artistic use, mathematics shapes the ways we think. It trains us to analyze problems, recognize patterns, think logically, and persevere through challenge. These are not just academic skill, but they are life skill. Whether you dream of becoming an engineer, a doctor, a teacher, an entrepreneur, or a programmer, mathematics will be your companion, guiding your reasoning and decision. One of the most beautiful aspects of mathematics is the moment of discovery, that feeling of clarity, when the difficult problems finally make sense. It's a moment of proof, of satisfaction, of personal growth. It reminds us that struggle is part of the process, and that through patience and persistence, we can uncover something meaningful. But everyone, in today's world of rapidly evolving technology, artificial intelligence, and vast amounts of data, the importance of mathematics has never been greater. We need thinkers people who can interpret, analyze, reason, evaluate, and create solution to the real-world problems. Because mathematics empowers us not only understand to the real world, but shape it for the better. So my friend, let us change how we view mathematics. Let us embrace it's not just a subject in school, but it's a way of thinking, exploring, and appreciating the world around us. Let us recognize its purpose, its elegance, and most importantly, its beauty. So, because in the end, I would like to remind you that mathematics is not just about number, but it's about uncovering the hidden harmony that connect us all. So, ladies and gentlemen, I stop here for my speech. Thank you very much for your attention.